Hello dear students, welcome to your favorite channel PVN Science Study. I am Dr. Pratap Naikwade. In today's video, we will study
general characters of Division Phaeophyta. In this video, we will see distribution, range of thallus, cell structure, pigments and result food material, reproduction and alternation of generation in Phaeophyta algae. Phaeophyta are commonly called as brown algae due to the presence of yellowish brown pigment, that is xanthophylls. Xanthophylls are abundant in Phaeophyta as compared to the other colored pigments. The xanthophylls present mask the colors of chlorophylls and carotenes. Phaeophyta is a large division which contains nearly about 250 genera and 1500 species of brown algae. Majority of the brown algae are marine, that is they found in the seawater, with the exception of 3 genera which are found in freshwater. The marine algae of Phaeophyta are found in shallow water of all the seas, but they are more developed in the cold waters of Arctic as well as the Antarctic seas. Many species of Phaeophyta are found attached to the rocks, stones as well as timbers beneath the surface by holdfast. Now we will see range of thallus in Division Phaeophyta. Phaeophyta is a group which contains most highly evolved algae and it shows a great range of thallus differentiation. Phaeophyta are the largest algae having definite form and they display the highest degree of body differentiation. Heterotrichy is a special phenomena found in the ectocarpus in early stages of development and that also disappears in the higher forms of Phaeophyta. So this is the photograph of ectocarpus which shows two types of the system. One is prostate system which is horizontal to the surface and another one it is the erect system which is right angle to the surface. So these two systems are present and the name given to this phenomena it is the heterotrichy. Higher members like Dictyota, there is a complex and multicellular plant body. It is differentiated into top rhizoids, lower cylindrical portion and upper dichotomously branched portion called as the frond. So this is the photograph of Dictyota. In the Dictyota, we can see the top rhizoid like this as well as lower cylindrical portion and upper dichotomously branched portion it is known as the frond. The next order in the order of complexity is the fucus. So this is the diagram of fucus. In fucus the plant body shows lower cylindrical portion called as the stipe and upper flattened band shaped portion it is called as the blade. So this is the blade and this is the stipe of fucus. The plant has attaching disc. More advanced forms are also seen in the order Laminarials. So this is the photograph of Laminaria. It shows much greater morphological and anatomical differentiation. The sporophyte is differentiated into richly branched holdfast. So this is the holdfast of Laminaria and it also shows elongated cylindrical stipe and flattened blade or the lamina. So this is the lamina of Laminaria. The Laminarials order shows bigger plant. The smaller plants are about 3.5 feet in height while the largest is about 200 feet in height. Example it is Macrocystis. Now we will study the cell structure of Phaeophyta algae. The cell wall is made up of 2 layers. The outer layer is made up of gelatinous and pectic material while the inner firm layer is of cellulose. The protoplast shows cytoplasm, central vacuole and single eukaryotic nucleus. The cell may consist of single large plate-shaped chromatophore or many small discoidal chromatophores. The chromatophores lack pyrenoids but they may contain one or more irregularly shaped whitish fucuscent granules. In the cell of Phaeophyta, there is presence of mitochondria Golgi apparatus, ribosomes and endoplasmic reticulum. Now we will see the pigments in Phaeophyta algae. Phaeophyta algae contains 6 xanthophylls. These are violoxanthine, flavoxanthine, neoxanthine, fucoxanthine, neofucoxanthine A and neofucoxanthine B. The golden brown color of the Phaeophyta is due to the presence of fucoxanthine, which has molecular formula C40H54O6. Apart from these, other pigments are beta-carotene, chlorophyll A, very little chlorophyll C, but chlorophyll B is absent in Phaeophyta. Regarding reserve food material is in the form of carbohydrates. All reserve carbohydrates are stored in the dissolved state. The carbohydrates are in the form of small amount of simple reducing sugars, probably dextrose. The other cheap carbohydrate reserve is laminarine. As well as in some species, reserve carbohydrate is mannitol. Starch is absent. Now we will see reproduction in Phaeophyta. In Phaeophyta algae, reproduction is by 3 methods, that is vegetative reproduction, asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Vegetative reproduction is by the process of fragmentation. Asexual reproduction in Phaeophyta is by formation of zoospore or aplanospores. Zoospores are biflagellate, while aplanospores are without flagella. Sexual reproduction in Phaeophyta is isogamous, physiologically or morphologically anisogamous or oogamous type. Majority of the species of Phaeophyta are homothelic. In isogamous reproduction, the fusing gametes are identical in size, shape and structure. While in physiologically anisogamous reproduction, both the gametes they are similar in size but they behave differently. The male gamete antherozoid fuses with non-motile female gamete egg and zygote is formed, which is diploid in nature as a result of sexual reproduction. Now we will see alternation of generation or the life cycle of Phaeophyta. This is the representative life cycle of Phaeophyta, that is life cycle of Fucus, which is a common brown algae. In Phaeophyta, the sporophyte is diploid generation and produces haploid spores after meiosis. So the plant body of Fucus is the sporophyte, as you can see here. This is the sporophytic generation and this is the gametophytic generation. The haploid gametophyte produce male and female gametangia, which in turn produce the haploid gametes. In Division Phaeophyta members, the sporophytic generation alternates with the gametophytic generation and gametophytic generation alternates with the sporophytic generation. Two important processes are meiosis and fertilization. By the process of meiosis, sporophytic generation ends and gametophytic generation starts, and with the process of fertilization, gametophytic generation ends and sporophytic generation starts. So this is regarding alternation of generation or life cycle of Phaeophyta. Dear students, with this we have completed general characters of division Phaeophyta. Thank you.